Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. Today we're going to be making a 3-leaf clover. Well, in our St. Patrick's Day, even though it already has happened. So right now I'm just going to delete this and start from scratch. Also, I have the sketch, so plug that too. Okay, so first we're going to, you could create a new sketch. And now first we're going to start with a simple circle. So for the center point, I'm just going to go in right here. There we go. Now I'm going to create a line. And create there we go, that kind of line. From there, I'm going to create another circle. This time this circle is going to be a 2-point circle. Oh, by the way, the circle for the command for the circle is just C on the keyboard. So that's again 5. There we go. And I'm going to create a line. Cutting right across the circle. Now I'm going to use a command called circular path. Boom. Select this line as my object, and for the center point is right in the center. Except now it has this. This is 3, so it's 1, 2, 3. You want more than 3. So right here, boom, boom, like that. And then hit OK once you're done. From there, I'm gonna create a spline. Now a spline, the more lines, the better, which is why I have these multiple of lines. I'm gonna start right here, and make sure you hit each and every line, like so. Now when you get to over here, don't go all the way around, just come right back here. Boom. Now I'm just going to hit this green button, or you can hit enter. Like so. Hit escape. And start deleting the circle and all the lines that was within the circle. Boom. The next step is to go right here, where it says sketch, and go where it says mirror. So we're going to mirror this whole thing, and the line we're going to mirror it is this line. And hit OK. You should have this heart-shaped object. Right? Now we're going to trim. Now you can hit type T on the keyboard, or you can go over to sketch and hit trim. Trim this off. Like so. Go back to sketch, circular pattern, and now we're going to select this one and this one. Then select it. There we go. Center point is going to be this time right here. The origin. So that's 1, 2, and 3. That's what we want. You could do 4 if you want to, or you just leave it as 3. And then hit OK. Boom. Now next step I'm going to do is trim again. This time trimming this off. And the line 2, which automatically deletes it. So we have nothing in the center. Now I'm going to create another circle from right here to right here. Go. Now if you ask me why did I trim off the circle when if I made another circle, well, that's because this is going to be part of our stem. Now I'm just going to try this, so make sure it works. Oops, wrong side. So you want to go here. There we go. There. All the way down. Boom. And trim again. This time trimming off this one. one should be actually a duplicate here. Go ahead and delete the duplicate. Boom. And delete the line. There we go. We're gonna go ahead and hit the home. So everything is on the side. Then we're gonna either type M, or you can go to modify and go to move, which should be right here. Move / copy M. Then you're gonna select this line right there, or the half circle, and go ahead and move it like so. Oops. This is what I was trying to avoid. Contacting this. So what I am going to do is first delete this circle, so that I can't touch it. Go ahead and select circle again. So I'm going to select the regular circle. Now what you could do is lock this in place, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to create a slightly smaller circle, or it's fine, and do a line in the middle, like so. Trim off half of it, take away the line, and move, which is just M, or go to modify and M. Go right here, 90 degrees down. I'm just gonna go 90 degrees this way and fold downward. There, 2. And I could change the orientation, but I'm doing it like that. So there we go. Now to start doing 3D. Do 3D. First I'm going to start off with the stem. So I'm going to go to create, go into pipe, and it asks me select a path. So the path is going to be this one right here. There you go. You can do various other commands. For example, circle. You can change it to square or triangle. You can also, if you check this box, make it hollow. This one's to make it the pipe basically bigger or smaller. 0.25 is good enough for this side, and I'm making it non-hollow. And just hit OK. Now this is what usually happens is the sketch above disappears, so I'm going to reappear it like so. Now I'm going to create this. So we're going to go to create, extrude, or hit the letter E. It's also right here conveniently. And I'm going to select this one right here. I'm going to make sure it's going to be going 0.25. Go. Make sure it is symmetric. Since I'm 125 up and down, making sure that I cover the line so nothing will appear off. And I put new body like so. And as you can tell, it's inside. There we go. And hit OK. Now, at this point, you could turn off the sketches completely. Okay. I'm going to go to modify, fillet, and this is just to make the edges a lot smoother. 1, 2, and I'm going to put it as 0.25. Yeah, it's going to give you a little error, but it should work. If it doesn't, you can always manually do it here by clicking this arrow, and there we go. Looks like it doesn't like me this time. I'm gonna fill it. Click on one. So yeah, we could just leave it as is. Now, what I'm going to do is make this line bigger. In order for that, I'm going to go to Modify. I'm going to go to Scale, which is right here, and select the line. Now, you can either move the arrow or type in here. I'm just going to type in here too. Go and hit OK. Now I'm going to go back to Modify, Move / Copy, select this one, and I'm going to move it right in line, making sure that everything is in place. There we go. Hit OK once I like it. And there you go. Now, what I could do, making the fillet work, is if I go to press and pull, select this, and I make it a bit bigger. There you go. Hit OK. Then modify again, fillet, select here and here. Move the arrow slightly. Should be working a bit better, but as you can see, it's still iffy. It's only like this. Hit OK, and repeat the process again. Just gonna type it in. It gave me an error. So what I'm gonna do is do it on each side. That side doesn't seem to like me, but this is basically my shamrock. And to top it all off, I'm just gonna add a little green to it. Yeah, seems to not be wanting to do that side. So I'm going to leave it as is, and there we go. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, please leave a like. And if you want to have any comments on how I do this stuff, or you want to show me your stuff, please go ahead. Thank you, and have a nice day.